What's going on, everybody? It's Eric with Morris 4x4 Center, and I want to welcome you to the Morris 4x4 Center YouTube channel. What you're going to find here is we do product reviews, product demonstrations. We do interviews with different manufacturers as well, so you can see all of the latest products. We also do a bunch of tech videos as well, so if you guys have any questions, you can definitely ask them, and we're more than happy to reply in a video format. Also, if there's any Jeep events, we cover those as well, such as Jeeptoberfest, Jeep Beach, even Bantam, Smoky Mountain Jeep Festival, just to name a few. So definitely stay tuned. We do tons of content daily that you don't want to miss out on. Now, what we've got coming up for the month of May is we've got a couple tech videos planned. We're going to talk about how to fold up and down your soft top correctly and make sure it's folded back properly. Also, a lot of you have been asking to go more in depth on sway bar links and disconnects, so we're going to be covering that as well. And also, we do some interviews with companies like Baja Designs, the scientists of Jeep lighting. We're going to be covering their lights and talking to one of their reps, so definitely stay tuned. If you have not already, there's a subscribe button right over here. Click it, make sure you follow us so you'll be the first to be notified when you receive these videos. And we thank you for watching and see you later.